Oi, como vai? Tudo bem? You're back in Portuguese class with Jason. What I want to do now is to go over the numbers. I'm going to start out very simple numbers, 0 through 10. But I'm going to go all the way through a million, sort of skipping. You should be able to pick up the pattern and make combinations, but it's going to take a lot of practice. For now, if you can just get the simple numbers, say 1 to 30, then you can work with all kinds of dates, for example, talk about ages, and you can also talk about what time it is, or prices. Those are some simple uses for the numbers, and I'll upload another lesson on those uses right after this. Okay, so I'm going to go through the numbers. You'll see the numeric symbols and the numbers spelled out, and you can repeat them as I say them, and of course rewind as many times as you need to for practice. So here we go. 0 is zero. 1, there are two words for 1 and 2 depending on whether the noun is masculine or feminine. So if it's masculine, it's If it's feminine, you say uma casa, for example, a house. Same thing with 2. You have dois or duas pessoas, 2 people, feminine. For the word 3, it's tres, 4, cuatro, and here we go. Cinco, seis, sete, oito, nove, dez. So that's 0 through 10. Okay, we're going to go on. 11, onze, doze, treze, 14, quinze, dezesseis, dezessete, dezoito, dezenove, vinte. So the word for 20 is vinte, and then you would combine that with the words for 1 through 9. 21 or 22, 23, 27, etc. Word for 30, which you also would combine with the numbers 1 through 9. 30, so 35 would be 35. 40, 40. 50, cinquenta. 60, sessenta. So if we wanted to say 67, we would say sessenta, for example. 70, sententa, 80, oitenta, 90, noventa. So 99, for example, would be noventa. Okay? If you want to say just 100, it's cem. But it changes to cento for any number larger than 100. So 101, 101, or 101. 120, 120. Okay? 200, duzentos or duzentas if it's something that's feminine. These words for the hundreds change depending on masculinity or femininity of the noun that follows. Duzentos or duzentas. Trezentos for 300 or trezentas. And you go on up. Cuatrocentos, cuatrocentas. Quinhentos, seiscentos, setecentos, oitocentos, novecentos. The word for 1,000 is mil, and you would have also 2,000, 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, etc. 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, and 1,000,000, 1,000,000. So again, you could make all different types of combinations. It gets complicated. Focus on the simple numbers from 1 to 100, or even just from 1 to 30. Talk about dates in the calendar year, and you'll be fine. That'll be a great start for you on the numbers. Okay, so rewind, listen, and repeat as many times as necessary, and I will upload a lesson dealing with dates, telling time, and talking about prices, so that you can actually practice using these numbers in real contexts. So again, thanks for coming back for this lesson, and I hope that you find it useful. Até logo!